last year, sa Youngster Christian Learning Place ko nagtrabaho. But this year, I am now working here at Lanao Family Farm School.
Okay. Did it?
Good afternoon sa tanan. I'm Shermaine D. Scala and I live at Gumagamot, Lanao del Norte. So when I was a student, dito ko nag-study sa MSU IAT. Now, I am currently teaching here at Lanao Family Farm School as a teacher, teaching science subjects. When I was a student, when I was in first year and second year, masayod pa ang life, but when I was nag-third year na ako hanggang fourth year, that was the start na medyo nag-iisod na may sa among life. Akong parents medyo unable na to provide my needs in terms sa tuition fees and some sa mga financial na mga supports. But thanks to the DAR na NASLAY program, especially sa PD MASPE, na naka-avail ko as a scholar student. So I was so blessed na isa ko sa mga beneficiary. So the only requirements is just you have to study, and ang program sa DAR is needed kayo siya, kaya especially sa mga scholars na mga estudyante, dali na kayo siya i-avail, kaya ang kailangan lang is nindot ka o grado tapos ma-maintain mo siya. So ang role lang sa estudyante is to study hard and of course to enjoy your studies as well. So I was so blessed na na-part ko sa DART kay daghan kay siya mga benefits. Especially during atong student pa ko, dili siya lisod, mubayad sa tuition fee, kay ang mubayad adto is the DAR na program. Tapos after class or after graduation, mas dali na lang ang mong pagpangita og trabaho. Especially in my case now na under ko sa Lanao Family Farm School. Tapos ang DAR is all about agrarian reform. It's easier to find a job, in my own opinion, kung part ka or under ka sa DAR. During my time, I was under sa PD MASPE, but now I have learned na gitawag na siya og PAI or Programang Agrario Escolar. So to all the students out there, I am encouraging you to study hard and to help our countrymen. Pasalamat ko sa DAR kay tungod nila nakahuman ko og eskwela. Tapos, mas easier siya na entertain ka, especially sa mga schools or establishment kung asa ka mag-apply. Because ang mga establishments, mangutan naman sila kung asa ka gikan or under ba ka sa scholarship. So, during sa akong time na nag-apply ko, nakabalo sila nga gikan ko sa DAR, so mas dali ko nila na-entertain. Kaya, when you say scholar, dako ka og grado, and you are responsible.